Hey everybody, if you've been following me on the F100 to 76, I've got the motor pulled out of it. I'm going to clean it up, and this is a project that my grandpa gave to me when I was I've had it about 15 years. Alright, so I've got my pistons cleaned up. They are 40 over. These pistons were black with carbon before I cleaned them up, and there they are now. And this is a 390 Ford motor. I've got my motor cleaned up. Let me see, try to get it in here. I've got everything cleaned up. Started putting things back together. I'm kind of limited on my time with my work schedule and my wife's work schedule, I don't have the best facilities to work in. But I got pistons back in on one side. I just got to torque them down, and I called my parts guy, and he got me my kit with my lifters and all, push rods, changing everything inside of the motor except for the crankshaft and the camshaft. Everything else is getting changed. And I've got some stereo equipment I've been collecting that I'm gonna put something in there. I just don't know what yet. I've got a couple 15s. I know they ain't gonna fit. There's a old school, let's see, Wave something, I can't remember what that one is over there that I may put in it. I've got some 6x9s. I've got a little bit of everything sitting around. Some Crossfire amps, I think is what I'm gonna go with. Crossfire and maybe that. And or if I don't put in my 95, I've got 3 Vision speakers. They're cheap, but I'm at the point in my life I don't need a whole lot of boom, that I may go with. Got to get my heads worked on, make sure they're still good. This truck was built when I was about 5, so it's been about 30 some years. And if you've been following it, I appreciate it. I'll try to get you some more videos, and keep me motivated. Y'all have a good evening.